Welcome to our EquiTalks episode or EquiTalks series. We are already on EquiTalks episode number 97, and my name is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. Today is February 4th, 2020, Tuesday, and in this episode, let's talk about Cirtek Holdings Philippines Corporation with a stock code of TECH. In this episode, I will answer the question on whether or not you should wait near 7.95, 7 pesos and 95 cents. And of course, we will do this. I'm going to give you my technical analysis inspired by my Evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine Stock Exchange. And this Evergreen strategy is my online stock market course. I'm going to teach you, uh, you know, from stock selection, from the composition of your watch list, all the way to learning how to sell more logically and less emotionally. So there are 6 to 7 modules in this online stock market course or online stock market seminar. To learn more about it, visit equilyst.com and then click the course page or menu on top. Without further ado, here's the daily chart of tech. So as of Tuesday, tech closed with a red candlestick at 10.10. Support is at 7.95. Resistance is at 12.6. It was a net foreign selling worth 3.22 million pesos. Its foreign funds are net sellers year to date, but their participation is relatively insignificant. The 10 MACD is bearish, so there's no buy signal confirmation. There's no top-up signal for tech. Memorize that. Well, as of today, as of market closing today, risk level is already extremely high, which means tech is not a newbie-friendly stock. What made me say that, and what's the significance of uh, knowing or finding out the risk level of a stock through its historical volatility score? The answer is in the online stock market course. That's where I explain that thing or those questions in detail. Now, on my data gathering here, it shows that tech had a total turnover value worth 138 million pesos. But the local traders were the main drivers today. Foreign fundies just registered a measly amount of net foreign selling worth 3 million pesos. And looking at my trade and volume distribution analysis, I discovered that tech has a volume weighted average price of 10.62, which is way higher than the last price of 10.10. And when that's the scenario, when the VWAP is higher than the last price, the momentum power indicator automatically becomes bearish. And that means another reason why there is no buy signal confirmation for tech as of market closing on February 4. The true market sentiment is a little bit contrarian. It's bullish. Now, how are you going to use that information to create a decision for tech? So here's my recommendation. If you have tech and under the assumption that your trailing stop is still intact, I would recommend that you reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop because the last volume bar is already red and it is higher than the 100% of tech's 10-day volume average. That's your first option. Second option is just to hold your position and don't reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop because the true market sentiment is bullish anyway. So which one is best for you? Which option? Which of the two is better for you? Here's what I say. If you regard yourself as a newbie trader, then choose option number one. Reduce the percentage of risk of your trailing stop. Don't just hold your position. If you are a high risk trader, then you can choose the second option. All right. Now, if you don't have tech, but for some reasons you'd like to have it, monitor tech for now. Don't do a test buy. That's the logical option that you can have. That you can have. Okay. Don't rush. Don't enter on a new position. There's no buy signal. Now, if you are one of our customers, if you're one of our subscribers in our online stock, in our stock market subscription service, then you can ask for our latest analysis and recommendation for tech in our private clients forum whenever you see a significant change in price or volume. And what do you get when you subscribe to our stock market subscription service? There are six things. Number one, you will receive a daily video for short-term traders. There will be 10 trade ideas for 10 different stocks. That's one trade idea per stock. Number two, you will get exclusive access to our investment guide for long-term investing. I personally monitor the 30 blue chip or index companies under the Philippine Stock Exchange. And I tell my customers, I will tell you if I see a confirmed buy signal for any of those 30 blue chip companies. And if there's a confirmed buy signal, you will know the best dominant range where it is best for you to position. Number three, you will get an unlimited consultation in our private clients forum. Number four, you can submit your analysis in our study room. That's another section in our private clients forum. I will personally check your analysis, give you a score, give you recommendations on how to make it better so that you can execute your plan better as well. Number five, your eligibility to our Learn and Earn affiliate program, or LIP. Remember the fourth inclusion, the submission of your analysis for you to get a score. If your analysis is really very good, then with your permission, we're going to publish it on our website with your picture and with your affiliate link, so that when someone subscribes to us through your affiliate URL, the 20% will be yours. That's your commission. And lastly, but not the least, last but not the least, you will get a free online stockbrokers account and a 2-month free access to First MetroSec Pro from First Metro Securities. That's the most advanced online stock trading platform in the Philippines today. And how do you subscribe? Just go to equilyst.com and then click on the subscribe page. All right. And also take this opportunity to sign up to our free newsletter. There's nothing to lose. Everything's to gain. Everything is for you to gain in here. It's a free newsletter. Go to equilyst.com, click on resources, and then learn. Click this orange sign up form, sign up, and then check your inbox for the confirmation email. If it's not there, check your spam or junk folder. Once confirmed, you're good to go. And then you will be receiving an email alert when we publish a new episode like this one. And of course, follow us on our social media accounts. Check the description box down below. We're on Pinterest, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook. And so that aside from that email notification, you will also be receiving an alert through your favorite social media network when we publish a new episode. All right, thank you for listening or watching to this EquiTalks episode number 97. My name is JC De Guzman. If you have comments, you can comment down below. But always remember, be evergreen.